My side, there's a little noise.
So now you can see it's okay now. Can you hear me properly? It's okay.
Okay, okay. Cut the part, previous part.
Okay. No problem. I can cut. I can cut.
Okay. Let me introduce myself first, then you start.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So, as you know, my name is Nootan and I'm from Mathura, which is in UP. And I am a teacher by profession. And talking about my qualification, I'm graduate from commerce and I have a YouTube channel by the name of English with Nootan Deep. And I'm blessed with two kids. So, this is all about me. Thank you.
Okay. So now it's my turn. So I'm going
Yeah.
to introduce myself. Well, my name is izrail. I am from Bihar. I am intermediate papa. Talk about my hobbies. So I love to travel. I love to talk with people and I love to watch English content. Moreover, I run also YouTube channel where I upload English promotional videos and I'm talking to you from the Kuwait. That's all about it.
Oh,
Now it's
great.
okay, my wife?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. So you are living in Kuwait.
Yes,
In Kuwait,
I'm
okay.
living in.
So how long have you been living over there in Kuwait?
Actually, I have been living in Kuwait for last 10 years.
Oh, long time.
Yeah, it's very long time.
Okay, okay. So what is the need? As you are like speaking with the people, connecting with them. So I think you must be getting the environment over there.
No, ma'am. Actually, Kuwait native language is Urdu and Arabic is spoken in the Kuwait. So I'm not getting ambience. So it is so difficult to learn English. And when my boss comes, okay, so he talk with me in Arabic language.
Okay,
So I'm not getting chance to speak English language. So I was criticized at the airport. I was criticized at the big mall. I was not able to change clothes. I was not able to communicate at the airport. So I thought, I have time, so I should learn English. After that, I started my English journey.
okay, okay. And how long has
Honestly,
it been? How long has it been to start your
honestly,
this journey?
I have completed more than 1 year.
Okay, great.
When I connected with you at that time, I was no, I was totally beginner at that time. I was not able to speak.
Yeah, it has
Okay,
been 7, 8 months when we connected for the very first time.
yes, yes. And I kept on doing practice. That's why little bit means I have improved.
Hmm.
And
Yeah.
I watched your video, and you have become a teacher. You are teaching nowadays. Am I right?
Yes, yes, you're right.
So, ma'am, I have one question. After doing hard work, you have become a teacher. So, how do you feel?
How do I think?
Yeah, how do you feel that?
Um, I feel really great. I never thought of this. Never imagined to work and to go. To go to somewhere and then doing work and becoming this much occupied. Never thought of this. It's not about just being teacher, working here. It's a big responsibility, I can say, and so many things we have to do being woman, especially specifically if I tell you married women, because they have to do so many things, home chores, taking care of the family, their needs they have to fulfill, and yeah, the unwanted guest as well. And
Yes, yes.
yeah, and then going to the school and that kind of accountability, a big responsibility, I can say, and juggling all the things, it's a big challenge. But if you
Yes,
are
yes.
doing it in a great enthusiasm with a zeal, so you will not feel like kind of pressure or any kind of baggage. You'll feel okay. Everything is going with flow. That I think so.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes. I can consider, being a homemaker, you must have lots of work, right? So, how many hours do you teach, ma'am, in a school?
See, earlier I used to teach in a school. It was for 4 to 5 hours. Now I'm full time teacher. I've just started my this journey, and the thing is that here I'm talking with you. I'm sitting in the staff room, and I'm utilizing this moment to talk.
Okay.
As you know, after coming from the school, I feel like really, I can say exhausted. And there is so much exertion. So I thought, let me connect with somebody so that I can do the practicing. It's not about making videos always. It's about the practicing to make myself always be in this, this loop. I can say I always keep myself in this loop so that I can always be updated, like what I have to do, what I have to say things when it comes to deal with the people in English, and I have to go with the flow in this environment and grows with the language, so that I just don't feel like lagging behind.
Mm.
So this is why I just tried to connect, and there I saw your message.
Yeah, really, I can say, madam, you are very wisdom person, and you are utilizing your time. You don't want to waste your time. Whatever you are doing great things.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
So, do you have any long time goal, ma'am?
Not the long term goal, and the short term goal that I decided, I set for myself, that I have achieved. But I would not say that I have achieved my goal, so I don't have to do anything, any further step I don't have to take. This I don't think, this is not my mindset. I think each day we learn something, and each day we have to grow, we have to evolve ourselves, the things that we are doing. So since I am in this particular profession, and on top of that, I have to maintain my this fluency, my confidence level as well. So this I am to do, nothing else, and this is why I don't have anything kind of long term goal. I don't have. I'm I can say I'm like really satisfied, contented with the things I'm doing. But I would not say this is it. This is not it for me. I have to just keep going on.
Okay, okay. And here I can say you have been learning this for a long time. So, how many people have you connected till now?
So far, more than 600. Be it
600.
audio, yeah, 600. Be it audio, be it video.
Okay, okay. And one of video one video you uploaded on your channel, and dance video I can say, and I
Yes, yes.
commented. So how did
Yeah.
you learn dance? Did
It's
you join
my
any
hobby.
coaching?
No, 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 no. It's my hobby. I have so many hobbies. I'm really fond of dancing, singing, cooking food, reading as well. So yeah, when I get time, I feel really over the moon, cloud nine. So there, I just start singing, sometimes dancing, and that was the moment. It was the moment of Holi. So
Yes, yes. At that time you were over the moon. That's why you did dance. You
yeah.
dance.
Hmm. Yeah.
Oh, that's great. That's great. So now you are in school. So at what time will you come in your house?
Around 3 p.m.
Around 3 p.m.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay. So now, if you have any question, ma'am, if you want to ask, please ask. Because you have met after a long time.
Yeah, I can say, don't you feel like, missing your family? Are you living alone over there?
Yes, I'm living alone.
Okay, so don't you feel like missing your family and, going back to India? Don't you think so?
Yes, yes, I miss my family, but what I do, I want to do something better in my life. That's why I'm living here. And I go to my home after 2 years,
Okay.
and I stay 3 months, 4 months. After that, I have to come back.
Yeah, right.
Being a uneducated person, I can't earn, that much money. Okay, in India, but
Hmm.
I am able to earn, the lots of money in Kuwait. Very well.
Yeah, that's a big difference.
Yeah,
Working in any
suppose.
abroad, and then,
Hmm,
working in our own country, India. So it's a big difference in the form of salary.
it is so many different between India to Cancer Arab country. Suppose you are a labor, okay, you don't have any kind of skill. However, your salary will be more than 50, 60,000 like that. Okay.
Yeah,
And in there,
that's
I'm
really
not
great.
able to only 5,000 rupees. I'm not able to earn 5,000 rupees. What will I do? Tell me. I miss
They,
my
you know,
family.
people
What I
living
do?
in, yeah, people
Hmm.
living in Kuwait or any like a abroad country, they value our efforts, our dedication. This is why they, I
Hmm.
think, provide, you know, a handsome amount of money as a salary.
And I tell you to honestly, in Corona time, when Corona came, I was in Kuwait at that time, and I had a lot of money, and my villagers were facing lots of problems, and they did not have money, so I helped them a lot.
Okay.
And still, they are remembering me, Viraj, please come back, come back, please come. Okay, how many times they call me? I feel very content. If you
Okay,
have
okay,
money, then
sir.
you can
Actually,
have.
yeah, I'll have
Okay,
to wrap up because I have some work and then take the class. So can we? We'll
yeah,
connect some
definitely,
other
ma'am.
day.
Thank you so much. You are giving your valuable time. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, sir.
Definitely,
Okay, okay. Yeah, we'll
anytime.
connect some other day. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank